Okay, so this question here is to make this equation into slope-intercept form and then make a parallel equation with this slope. So before we do that, we're going to need to know how to make a parallel equation. So when making a parallel equation between two equations, we have to make sure that we have the same slope, but we have to make sure that we have different y-intercepts. So as you know, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So right here, the slope, which is m, has to always be the same, but the b has to be different for it to be a parallel equation. So on this equation, before we make it into a parallel equation, we have to make it into slope-intercept form. So first, we have to isolate the y. So we subtract 5x from both sides, and we get 2y equals negative 5x minus 13. Now, to isolate it even further, we divide everything by 2 to get y on its own, and we get negative 5 over 2x minus 13 over 2. So, as I told you before, to make it parallel, we have to have the same slope. So right here, this slope stays the same, so it'd be y equals negative 5 over 2x, but the y-intercept has to be different. So right here, the y-intercept has to be different. Since it doesn't specify what you want as your y-intercept, it can be any number in the world. It can be +1, -1, -3, -4, anything you want. So this right here would be any number. And that's how you turn this into a slope-intercept form and then find a parallel equation for it.